India is the second largest country in the world, and if the population continues with the same pace, the day is not far when it will be at the top. Increase in population increases the hunger and unemployment, which is the mother of many crimes and also attracts children. These poor people, sometimes knowingly and sometimes unknowingly, not only trap themselves but also engage their children with them. It initially started for hunger and later on for luxury. To deal with such young offenders, the Parliament of India made many provisions under the Juvenile Justice Act of 2000. In this act, there are two different parts. First is child in need. Second is child in conflict with law. First part is the most important part of this act because if the society fulfills the need of a child, then the child can stop from moving towards the crimes and the second part will remain half.
In this video, I am going to discuss about Juvenile Justice Act 2000. Juvenile Justice Act 2000 is a primary legal framework for juvenile justice in India. The involvement of a minor in the horrific gang rape has triggered the debate on the Juvenile Justice Act. What is the Act? The Juvenile Justice Act 2000, amended in 2006 and 2011, contains statutory provisions to handle cases relating to minor offenders, delinquents, juveniles in conflict with law, children in need of care and protection. What is the definition of juvenile as per law? Section 2K of the Act defines a juvenile or a child as a person who has not completed 18 years of age, while Section 2I says a juvenile in conflict with law means a juvenile who is alleged to have committed an offence. What are the provisions for bail? Whenever a juvenile is arrested for an alleged offence, he requires to be immediately produced before the Juvenile Justice Board. The law says that the board, irrespective of the offence, should release him on bail with or without any surety. However, the juvenile must be sent to an observation home or a place of safety by a speaking order of the board, explaining the reasons for not releasing him on bail. During the inquiry and not a trial, such delinquents are to be housed in the observation home and the inquiry has to be completed within 4 months.